Hello, my name is Sunil H.V. I have completed my graduation in Computer Science Engineering from Media Institute of Technology. I have completed my graduation in 2021 and I have joined a company with a package of 3 LPA and my designation is a trainer engineer. Coming to Jspiders, Jspiders is equipped with a good faculty for IT training in Bangalore. It's best place to learn and gain knowledge. It helps us to build career in a well-reputed company. And about faculties and HR, Uday sir taught Java concepts very well. He was helpful in clarifying doubts and boosting confidence in others to do well. Manoj sir explained all SQL / DBMS concepts. He motivated everyone to do better in interviews and he was a role model.